We're so excited you could join us today for some big announcements about two essential products, Apple Watch and iPhone.
Apple Watch Series 9 has been redesigned on the inside with the all-new S9 SIP, giving it a big boost in performance and capabilities. It's our most powerful watch chip yet. The S9 CPU has 5.6 billion transistors, 60% more than Series 8, and its GPU is 30% faster. The new S9 chip makes the animations and effects in watchOS 10 look super smooth. S9 also has a new 4-core neural engine that can process machine learning tasks up to twice as fast. Apple Silicon enhances another one of our users' favorite nearby or faraway features, the ability to ping your iPhone. Series 9 has a new second-generation ultra-wideband chip that enables precision finding for iPhones with the same chip. You'll see both the distance and direction to your iPhone, and once you get close, haptic and audible feedback guide you to its location, even if it's in a different room. Ultra-wideband also brings new integration between Apple Watch and HomePod. When you get close to your HomePod, media suggestions will automatically appear at the top of the Smart Stack, so you can instantly fire up a playlist or podcast.
Introducing Double Tap. Just tap your index finger and thumb together twice. It's that easy. You can use Double Tap to answer a call. Let me show you. Hi, Deidre.
Hey, Jeff.
This same gesture also works to end a call. See you later.
Okay, bye.
Double Tap controls the primary button in an app, so you can use it to stop a timer, play and pause music, or snooze an alarm. A Double Tap will also launch the Smart Stack from your watch face. Double tap again to scroll through the widgets, just like turning the digital crown. This new gesture is enabled by the powerful neural engine in Series 9, which processes data from the accelerometer, gyroscope, and optical heart sensor in a completely new way. And that's the new Apple Watch Series 9. It features a magical new way to control your watch with Double Tap, faster on-device Siri that lets you securely access health data, precision finding for iPhone, and a brighter display, all enabled by the S9 SIP, our most powerful chip ever in Apple Watch. And it's Apple's first ever carbon neutral product.
Ultra 2 gets the powerful new S9 SIP. That means you can use the new double tap gesture anytime your hands are full. Set a waypoint using just your voice with the new on-device Siri, even when you have no connectivity. And precision finding with the second-generation ultra-wideband chip helps you easily find your iPhone when you can't remember where it's stowed. Ultra 2 also has a new advanced display architecture that pushes the brightness to a massive 3,000 nits. It's the brightest display Apple has ever created and makes Ultra 2 more readable in the harshest sunlight. To take advantage of this incredible display, we created an exclusive new watch face called Modular Ultra. It's the first to use the outermost edge of the display to show real-time data like altitude, depth, or the passing seconds.
It comes with all the features users love about Ultra, plus the powerful S9 SIP, Apple's brightest display ever, an expanded altitude range, on-device Siri, and a brand new gesture for easy control of your watch. These innovations and the advancements in watchOS 10 make our most rugged and capable watch even better. Ultra 2 joins Series 9 in the lineup, along with the popular second-generation Apple Watch SE. And we're excited to announce that SE is also carbon neutral when paired with a Sport Loop, which means this fall, customers can buy a carbon neutral model of any new Apple Watch. The Apple Watch SE starts at just $249, the new Series 9 starts at $399, and Apple Watch Ultra 2 is $799. You can order the new Apple Watch models starting today, and they will be available on September 22nd.
iPhone 15 has an all-new design that's simply gorgeous. Starting from the front, it has the dynamic island, which has been a hit with our pro users. The dynamic island fluidly expands and adapts to your alerts and live activities, creating an experience that's so intuitive it feels magical. Now, even more users can easily control their music or see the next direction in maps. Our amazing community of developers have made the dynamic island even more useful by expanding what it can do. Now, you can track a pizza delivery and follow the big game at the same time. When you're catching a flight, you can see which gate you're leaving from and how long until boarding time. It's more helpful than ever. We're always looking for ways to make it easier for everyone to take gorgeous photos. So we're bringing an amazing 48 megapixel main camera to iPhone 15. It's built for shooting sharp photos and videos every day with a quad pixel sensor and 100% focus pixels for fast autofocus. USB-C has become a universally accepted standard. So we're bringing USB-C to iPhone 15. It enables charging, transferring data, playing audio and video, and it's been built into Apple products for years. Now, the same cable can charge Mac, iPad, iPhone, and even AirPods Pro 2nd generation, which is updated with a USB-C connector. If your AirPods are low on power, you can charge them or even an Apple Watch right from your iPhone. We're also bringing USB-C to EarPods so they can work with iPhone 15 seamlessly. So that's iPhone 15. It has so many innovations that you can use every day, like the dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera that provides a 2x telephoto and A16 Bionic. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are a huge leap forward. They're full of new industry-leading capabilities. They still start at just $799 for iPhone 15 and $899 for iPhone 15 Plus with carrier activation.
The next generation Pro pushes each of these further in ways only Apple can, and I'd like to introduce it to you now.
And we are thrilled to introduce our astonishing new titanium design. This is the most premium material we've ever used in an iPhone enclosure. Titanium is incredibly strong and durable. Yet at the same time, it is much lighter, making these our lightest Pro models ever. From the very first iPhone, we've had the ring silent switch, a quick and easy way to mute iPhone sounds. We wanted to make this even better. So with iPhone 15 Pro, we are reinventing the experience with a customizable action button. By default, it's still a simple ring silent switch. To toggle between ring and silent, you simply press and hold the button to confirm your intent. You also feel a distinctive haptic feedback for each state. And you can choose from a set of actions and easily switch between them. For example, with a simple press, you can start voice memos to quickly record a new idea or launch camera to capture that important moment. Activate a favorite accessibility feature like live speech, or you can use shortcuts to open up an even wider set of options, from simply launching your favorite app to running your own custom shortcuts.
iPhone can shoot higher resolution photos in 24, 28, and 35 millimeter focal length, a very important range for pro photographers. They can now quickly switch between these new options and even choose a new default lens, customizing their camera experience to their creative needs. For iPhone 15 Pro Max, we're using the extra size of the larger iPhone to introduce something unique, our longest optical zoom yet. 5x optical zoom at 120 millimeter focal length. We designed a state-of-the-art telephoto camera. Compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max, it has a 25% larger sensor, 100% focus pixels, and an f2.8 aperture, the largest of any smartphone at this optical range. 120 millimeter is a very useful focal length. Great for close-ups, wildlife photos, and getting closer to the sports action. 120 millimeter lenses are typically long. So instead, we created an innovative tetra prism design built right into iPhone. The light rays are reflected 4 times through the glass structure, allowing the light to travel for longer in a much smaller design.
With iPhone 15 Pro, you can now capture spatial videos. We use the ultra-wide and main cameras together to create a 3-dimensional video. You can then relive these memories in a magical way on Apple Vision Pro. This is really important as your iPhone is with you all the time, so you won't ever miss capturing a special moment using spatial video. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro, our best and most pro iPhone ever, with a new, beautiful, strong, and lighter titanium design, as well as next-level performance from the A17 Pro, a convenient and customizable action button, and our most pro camera system for our best photos and videos ever, including next-generation portraits and our longest optical zoom on iPhone 15 Pro Max, all while still providing great all-day battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro will start at the same price as last year, $999. An iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring the new 5x telephoto camera will start at $1199 with 256 gigabytes of storage, which also matches last year's price with this level of storage. We also have incredible offers from Apple and our carrier partners, including up to $1,000 off in the US when you trade in an iPhone 11 Pro or newer. All new iPhone models will be available for pre-order this Friday, September 15th. And they'll be available in stores next week on September 22nd.
Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.